Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith, Chapter 17, Shloka 18 and 19. The austerity which is practiced with the object of gaining good reception, honor, and worship, and with hypocrisy, is here said to be Rajsika, unstable and transitory.
Chapter 17, Shloka 18. Satkaramana pujartam tapo dambena chaibayat kriyate tadiha proktam rajasanchalamadruvam.
That austerity which is practiced with self-torture out of some foolish notion for the purpose of destroying another is declared to be tamsika.
Chapter 17, Shloka 19. Moodagrahena yat pidaya kriyate tapah parasyotsadanartam va tattamasam udahritam.
Chapter 17, Shloka 18 and 19. Men of Rajasic temperament are of passionate nature and perform penance with a view to gaining respect, honor, and reverence. Self-control and activities done not for inner development but for hoodwinking the world and getting cheap respect, reverence, and worship is a low deceit a man of culture can ever practice. Gita condemns those who perform tapas with wrong motive and declares that such tapas is unstable and transitory. Self-application to produce substantial results must be constant and continuous. When tapas is performed with low motive for show purpose and winning respectability, it does not gather the required intensity, and thus the tapas of the passionate can only end in unproductive and painful self-denials. Shloka 19. The dull-witted pursue the tamasic type of tapas. The tapas undertaken with mindless insistency by self-torture and for the purpose of destroying others are of the lowest type. A tapaswin must have a clear idea about why he undertakes the tapas, what is tapas, and how to do it. Without correct knowledge of the technique, no integration can take place, nor any spiritual unfoldment. An unintelligent austerity can only result in a disfigured personality, perverted in its emotion and unclean in its ideals. When austerities of this type are practiced for bringing sorrow and discomfort to others, such tapas is considered as tamasic. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.